Hello everyone. Today we are going to learn about sentences, which are the foundation of English grammar. Let's begin our learning journey. By the end of today's lesson, you will be able to understand what a sentence is. Identify its parts, recognize different types of sentences, and use correct punctuation while forming your own sentences. A sentence is a group of words that expresses a complete thought and contains a subject and a verb. For example, the dog barked. In this sentence, the dog is the subject and barked is the verb. It communicates a complete thought clearly. But if we say dog barked it does not make sense. So it is not a sentence. Every sentence has two important parts, the subject and the predicate. The subject tells who or what the sentence is about. The predicate tells us what the subject does or what happens. For example, Meera is playing in the garden. Here, Meera is the subject and is playing in the garden is the predicate. Now, let's look at some important rules of a sentence. A sentence always begins with a capital letter. It ends with a proper punctuation mark like a full stop, question mark or exclamation mark. It must express a complete thought and should have a subject and a verb. There are four main types of sentences in English. These are assertive, interrogative, imperative and exclamatory sentences. Let's understand each one with example. Assertive sentence. An assertive sentence is a sentence that makes a statement or gives information. For example, she is my friend. I like mangoes. These sentences simply tell us something. Interrogative sentence. An interrogative sentence is used to ask a question. For example, where are you going? Do you like ice cream? Or are you understanding the concept? These sentences always end with a question mark. Imperative sentence. An imperative sentence gives an order, request or advice. For example, open the door. Please help me. Sometimes the subject is not mentioned but it is understood. Exclamatory sentence. An exclamatory sentence expresses strong feelings or emotions. For example, what a beautiful place. Wow, that's amazing. These sentences show excitement or surprise. Now it's time for practice. Now let's check your understanding. Identify the type of each sentence. First, close the window. What a lovely dress. Are you ready? She is reading a book. Think carefully before giving the answer. So now let's take quick recap. Today we learned that a sentence expresses a complete thought and contains a subject and a verb. We also learned about the parts of sentence and the four types of sentences. We understood the importance of punctuation as well. So let's conclude. Sentences help us communicate our thoughts clearly and effectively. Keep practicing to improve your grammar skills. Thank you and have a great day.